Alright, so here's another System 11 nothing high-speed MPU. Still have yet to play this damn game, but anyways, we had a little bit of alkaline here in the display section. This kind of leads off into the sound a little bit. Anyways, had a little bit of alkaline abatement that we had done. Went ahead and conformal coated over top. Replaced one of the SIP resistors here. Pulled the reset capacitor. This had been swapped at some point, so I went ahead and kept that. Replaced all three of the power input headers, as well as the sound capacitor. This one had been replaced, but the two 10UFs have been replaced by myself here. The two sound drums have been resocketed, as well as the sound CPU. The NVRAM was the cause of the issue, or not the NVRAM itself, but the socket. The socket was not installed correctly, so I went ahead and pulled that from the board, fixed the trace, and actually I think there were two through holes that were actually pulled. So fixed both of those and put in a new socket, as well as two new sockets here for the game ROMs and a new socket here for the main CPU. So, and then also swapped out the power input header here. So I'll go ahead and get this thing booted up. And the overhead LEDs will make the displays look funky there. So as you can see, lamp matrix dancing, displays working. So music test, and into display test. And all displays are working.
Pull over.
Two old lamps, and then single lamps, which will just fly through these. Obviously all lamps are working. And into the solenoids, which I will add the mod on the back. So System 11 did not ground out the solenoids through the board. It's actually a ground connection that plugs into the board. So without that, the solenoids will not fire, but jumpering it will act as if we're plugging the ground in there. So all 16 of the regular solenoids, and then 6 of the special solenoids, which are also switch triggered. And all those are working correctly. And we'll go into switch edges, and we'll go through testing diagonally through the switch matrix, testing both rows and columns here. And the last switch in high speed is switch 52 there. Thanks to Hibbler for making that list there. And as you can see, all switches are working, and the MPU is 100% ready to go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.